Hi friends, thanks for coming back to my YouTube channel. And today we're going to be talking about Morrison Park, one of my favorite parks. It's a 153-acre park with amazing amenities. Come on this journey with me. I have a little video that I shot a while ago about Morrison, just a day in the park, and then we'll be able to see a lot of different activities there. The balloon festival is there, so you'll see those photos and descriptions. And then, yeah, it's an amazing park. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. And as always, be safe, be happy, and be home. And if you'd like more videos like this, don't forget, go ahead and DM me, subscribe, and you'll receive more videos like these. Hi, I'm Elizabeth Campbell, and I'm at Morrison Park. It's a 153-acre park in downtown Boise, and it's such a beautiful day that I thought everybody should know. Come down to the park and have a great evening. There's beach volleyball and dog island with an off-leash area and just a lot of fun. We're less than half a mile to Americana Pizza, so grab a pizza and come down to the park today.
Ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.